In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Smartsheet, a versatile tool for project management and collaboration. Whether you're linking to an external website or connecting sheets within Smartsheet, the process is straightforward. So, let's walk through it together, ensuring you master this skill for your projects. Start by selecting the cell where you want to insert the hyperlink. This could be any cell within your Smartsheet where you think a link will add value or context, perhaps pointing to additional resources or related data. Once you've selected the cell, right-click on it to bring up the context menu. From here, choose Hyperlink. This action will open the Hyperlink dialog box, which gives you a couple of options to consider for your hyperlink. In the Hyperlink dialog box, you'll notice two main options for creating your link: Link to URL and Link to Other Smartsheet. Each serves its distinct purpose, and we'll explore how to use them effectively. If you choose Link to URL, you'll need to enter the full URL of the website you wish to link to. This is useful when directing the user to a web page, a document stored on Google Drive, or perhaps a helpful article related to your project. Simply paste or type the full URL into the designated field. Be attentive here, as accuracy is crucial in ensuring the link works correctly. Alternatively, if your goal is to link to another sheet or report within Smartsheet, select Link to Other Smartsheet. Clicking this option allows you to choose from your existing Smartsheet assets. Click on Select a Smartsheet to open a list where you can browse or search for the sheet or report you want to connect. Once located, select the desired sheet or report to attach it seamlessly. Now, before finalizing your hyperlink, consider customizing the displayed text. In the Text to Display field, enter the text you want users to see in the selected cell. This is the clickable, easily identifiable text that users will interact with. Ensure it is intuitive and relevant, providing clear guidance on what the link entails. With all the details filled in, it's time to insert the hyperlink. Click OK, and just like that, the hyperlink is imbued in the cell, turning your regular cell into a dynamic, interactive element within your Smartsheet. And there you have it, a complete guide on inserting hyperlinks in Smartsheet. This skill can enhance the usability and functionality of your sheets, connecting users and sharing vital information efficiently. Practice this a few times, and soon it'll become second nature, enhancing how you manage and collaborate on projects. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy sheet linking.